The number one question you must ask yourself to grow your business is, where are my customers coming from? And how do I duplicate that process? UTMs help answer that question. Hi, I'm Steve Revere. Thanks for watching this intercultural communications video. This is our first digital marketing coaching video ever, and we chose UTMs because they're the most useful yet easy to use digital marketing techniques out there. If you are not using UTMs to track your digital marketing efforts, then you're not doing it right. Let me show you how it's done. If you are watching this video from Seoul in January of 2020, I hope you will stay tuned to the end to enter a little contest we have for in-person digital marketing coaching. You probably already know that Google Analytics is the most commonly used and one of the most simple tracking systems that's out there. In Google Analytics, how do I see where my visitors come from? Click on Acquisition, then scroll down to All Traffic, and then click on Source and Medium. And there you will be able to see the source of your traffic. You see the outlier there? The one that you don't quite understand much about? Direct none? What is that all about? In theory, it is people who input your domain into the address bar and hit enter. Except in reality, it is a link that doesn't tell Google Analytics much about where it came from. We can use UTMs so that every time someone clicks on that link, it sends information to Google Analytics and tells you a little bit about that link. This includes links that you may have shared on social media or in advertisements. If you're not using UTM links and using UTM parameters in your links, then you are not sharing information with your back end that you need to share so that you know where your productive marketing is coming from. What are UTMs? A little quick history here. UTM stands for Urchin Tracking Module. Urchin was the name of the company that Google bought back in 2005 that originally formed the basis of Google Analytics. UTM link itself is a hyperlink that includes a little bit of code and some extra information called parameters and sends that information to Google Analytics with every click. What are UTM parameters? Parameters are information that will be sent to Google with every link click, right? There are 5 different parameters that you can add to every link. 3 are required, 2 are optional. 1, source. This is the source of your link. So usually you're going to put a domain in here like Instagram, or you'll put in another source like email or blog. Medium is the type of traffic that you're sending. So for a medium, you're going to put in something like social. You could use social for all your social links, or you could use paid for all your paid advertising campaigns, or organic for links that you're putting elsewhere that are organic. But it's all up to you. The third parameter is name, and this is also required. You're going to put your name of your total campaign up here. So in this case, I'm going to use UTM coaching for the name of our campaign. Number 4, term. This one is very unique. It's not required, but you definitely need to use it when doing search engine marketing. If you put in brackets, keyword, enter that, and you will see that you get back the keywords that people used to search and find your product. This is absolutely crucial if you're doing search engine marketing on Google or Bing or other networks. You must include brackets, keywords, so that you get back dynamically what people inputted to get your site. Final is content. Now, this is also one that you might not use very often, but it's very good for A/B testing. That means you're going to test 2 different advertisements. So if you put up one ad with one picture and another ad with a different picture, and you want to see which one gets better results, you can put in the type of picture or the name of the picture here, and then it will come back with that name, and then you'll get to see which one is doing better. How do I create UTMs? This is the easy part. You visit the Google URL Campaign Builder. On the Google URL Campaign Builder, you just input all the information I just listed here in the way that you want to use it, and then go scroll to the bottom, click on URL, and boom, you have your UTM-laden campaign to start your advertising with. Keep the following things in mind while you're creating UTMs. These parameters have names and guidelines, but you assign meaning to them. So be sure that you are keeping track of them. Keep a record in a spreadsheet or on a document somewhere so that you can look back at what you were recording, and you always have some sort of record. If you don't, you might forget and won't be able to share with other people what terms you were using, and that will ruin the effectiveness of your campaign. Entries are case sensitive, so if you enter capital H home and you enter small h home, that will lead to two different results on the back end of Google Analytics. I suggest you always use small letters with every UTM that you create. Spaces will be replaced by %20, not 20%, percent symbol 20. And that can lead to a slightly confusing looking link. I suggest instead of using a space, you just put hyphens or an underscore in between. On the off chance you are a Korean person watching this video, we have tested it and you can input the Korean language, and Korean language will show up in Google, so you can write these in whatever language you would like to. In Google Analytics, where do I see the information from UTM links? Go to Acquisition, Campaigns, All Campaigns. One last use for UTMs. Remember that everyone uses Google Analytics, right? So if you want other people to see that you put their link on your website, you should use a UTM. You put in your website as the source, and then on the other end, they will see that you are the source of their website traffic. It's a great way to let other people know that you are helping them out. Got another idea for a digital marketing coaching experiment? We'd be happy to help you. Please share what your thoughts are in the comments and subscribe to our channel here. This is our first video ever. We're going to try to make them better and better. Help me, coach me, teach me. At Intercultural Communications, we provide our clients with one free digital marketing coaching session every single month. And at the end of January 2020, we are going to be doing a coaching session at the IP Boutique Hotel on January 31st at 4 p.m. And if you would like to attend, click on the contest that is in the explanation of this video, and you can win a chance to attend. We hope that you will enter, and you will be joining our email list. By the way, we don't spam, so if you sign up, you're signing up to our email list. We have to let you know, right? Okay, visit us anytime at incultcom.com, or shoot me an email at Stephen, and that's with a PH, STEPHEN.REVERE at incultcom.com. Thanks everybody. See you for the next coaching session in a couple of weeks.